If you're self-employed or you're a business owner and you're thinking, I don't get a paycheck, so the IRS can't levy my wages, you are dead wrong. The IRS has a special way of going after self-employed people or business owners. In fact, they even have a whole separate division. It's called Small Business Self-Employed. And the limits of what they can take from you are very different from what they can take from a W-2 wage earner. If you're self-employed, 1099, independent consultant, or maybe you're a realtor or insurance agent, you usually don't get wages in the traditional sense. So the IRS goes after what's called your accounts receivable. That is any income that's owed to you by your payers. Here's the key difference. A W-2 wage earner has certain protections that's afforded to them under IRS publication 1494. They're entitled to exempt a certain portion of their income from levy, so that they're at least going to take home a small portion of income. But there really aren't any protections for small business earners. The IRS can actually levy 100% of the income that you were supposed to get, and they can actually leave you with nothing. That might look something like this. Let's say that you are a realtor or an insurance agent. The IRS will send a levy to the broker that you work under or the carrier that you write insurance business for. That levy will tell the broker or the carrier to pay 100% of your commissions directly to the IRS. If you own a business that accepts credit cards, maybe you have an e-commerce website, or maybe you even have a brick and mortar retail store, the IRS will contact your merchant company, your credit card processor, and tell them to send all the revenue from your credit card transactions directly to the IRS. Maybe you're a doctor, dentist, or physical therapist. The IRS will actually contact the insurance companies that you work with and tell them to send the government all of your payments instead of sending them to you as they normally would. So you don't have an automatic exempt amount like a W-2 wage earner would. So the IRS can go after 100%. The worst part might be that a levy against a business owner is a continuous levy. It'll stay there until you work out a resolution with the IRS. So if you're 1099 or self-employed and you've gotten a levy notice, you're on a very short timeline before economic ruin. You want to reach out for help. Give us a call at 1-877-LEVY King. That's 1-877-538-9546. Or you can click on www.levyking.com and learn what your qualifications are for that fresh start. My team and I deals with these levy notices all the time. We've helped hundreds of business owners. We'd like the opportunity to help you too. That's it for this week, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.